I'm going to be coming up and making a right turn at this light. Just notice this was the continuation of this lane, so I don't need to signal and shoulder check as I come in if I pick it right away. And full stop at the stop line because it's a red light. Even though I can take a right turn at a red, I need to make a complete stop, shoulder check right. No one's using the crosswalk. I inch up, I can see carefully to the left, so I'm going to make the right turn into the first available lane here. Getting back up to speed, we can see it's a 50 zone here.